The company covers an area of 70,000 square meters, and the construction area of the factory is 220,000 square meters. At present, the company has 40 Panasonic brand SMT double-track automatic lines with high speed, high precision, and high stability, and 52 Haitian brand automatic injection molding equipment, which can meet the lighting part supply for the company. In addition, the company is equipped with 35 LED lamp automatic assembly lines, realizing a monthly output of 12 million pieces, and 25 LED luminaire assembly lines, realizing a monthly output of 8 million sets. The whole process of automatic production not only greatly improves the production efficiency and meets the production capacity demand, but also effectively ensures the product quality, realizing the double breakthrough in terms of quality and quantity. Quality manufacturing concept has been throughout the company's development history. Equipped with domestic and foreign advanced testing instruments, which can test and verify the products in the whole process of R&D, production and delivery, track the life of the products, so as to ensure the quality of the products.